Jim Harrington. I'm from Denmark, Maine, and we're down here in Gorham today with the Maine Antique Tractor Club, and we're just having a little bit of a fun plow day here. This is part of the American industrial age. These tractors are all made from what you're seeing out here is the 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s. This is all American-made steel out here right now. Good old-fashioned American-made steel. What would you not like about tractors? I mean, you can spend hours on them, you get them tuned up right, you get them singing, and it's just incredible. Listen to these pieces that are working out here.
My name's Megan O'Brien, this is my daughter Paige, and we're here to watch the tractors. My son loves tractors, so we come here to watch him. He's over there in the yellow with his dad in the yellow shirt, and this is his favorite thing. We look forward to it all year.
Do you like these tractors?
Yeah,
Why?
because some are John Deere.
You show me your tractor.
Let me see. Oh, let me see.
Wagon, the tractor, and the corn chopper.
Oh, that's excellent.
Yeah, this is Ron Winship. We're in Gorham, Maine at the Russ Farm doing a little plowing today.
What do you got behind you?
1943 Farmall H. I just got it going. It's been sitting for 20 years. These are the steel wheels they used in 42 and 43 because there wasn't enough rubber to go around. They needed the rubber for the war effort, so they put them on steel so they could continue to sell tractors. It does work well. It's kind of rough on the behind, but other than that, it works good.
What do you mean? It gives you a rough ride?
It gives you a rough ride compared to a rubber tire.
We were just sitting here talking about here. We're competing against each other. Speeds, what gear we pull in, noise. We all like to make noise and brag.
So, what's the best make of tractor?
Well, you're talking to a John Deere man. I have to say John Deere.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, here we go.
Well, I only have four Ford tractors, and they're a good tractor, but the equipment is no better than the guy that drives it. Hey, I drive Ford cars, somebody else drives Chevy cars. They're all good. They're no better than the people that drive them and work on them, that's all.
Name's Bob Parsons, one of the owners here at Parsons Farm in Gorham, and they brung in some Huss teams this year. They plowed another field away from the noisy tractors, and it was quite interesting to see a Huss team plow, and I guess everybody enjoys it, so we're happy to have them here.
Well, the horses are coming down the field. I got my grandfather's Jeep stuck, so they're gonna see if they can pull me out.
Well, I guess that Jeep is stuck in the woods. I'm going to try to haul it out.
Think you can?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We'll find out in a few minutes. It ain't hung up too bad, is it, Tom?
No, but it's stuck pretty good.
Oh, well. We got team behind us. Can we get them on hook? Whoa, damn. Now, whoa. You want to start us?
Yep, worked.
Did you get her?
He's out.
That was awfully easy, huh?
Yes, that was too easy. We ought to do it again.
I didn't think they were gonna pull it, but they did. It just lifted right up out of there, and that was it.
That was nothing for them once they got started. While I worked them in the woods, I pulled them in the woods harder than that. Yes. Go down, Sam. Got being nervous.
If I could go back in time, I'd have to say I'd like to be back in the late 40s, early 50s, when Oliver introduced the Fleet Line Series tractor, and they're known as the Oliver Three Beauties. What would you not like about tractors?